bar chart or graph in Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also, if you want to learn the Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level, you can visit this channel. And all the videos are available in this channel, so you can watch in order to learn the Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level in detail. So let's start that how to draw the bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So this is data that we have, and these are the students names in this column, and in the second column the marks obtained by each individual student has been given in a subject like this one, which is the engineering drawing. So we have to draw the bar chart of this column, means the number of students on the name of the students on the horizontal axis and the marks obtained on the vertical axis. In order to draw the bar chart, first we have to select these two columns, and then we'll go to the insert, and in the insert you have to go to the charts, and in charts you have to go to the bar chart. And now in the bar chart there are different options. You can select anyone as per your interest. Let we select this type of cone type of bar chart and click on OK. So now you can see the bar chart has been given in such a way that the names of the student is on the vertical axis and the marks obtained is on the horizontal axis. So if you want to change the so this is how you can draw the bar chart. If we say cut this and want to show in another type of bar chart, so first we will select the data, and then we will go to the insert, and in the insert we have to go to the chart, and chart we have to select the bar chart, and in the bar chart let's suppose we select this one. Now you can see the names of the student is given on the vertical axis and the marks obtained is on the horizontal axis. So this is this person whose name is Junaid has got maximum marks, and you can see the bar chart. So this is how you can draw the bar chart in Microsoft Excel. So now if you have any question regarding that how to draw the bar chart, and also you can customize your bar chart from here, from the design. Also there are a lot of options. You can show your bar chart in any format means in design. This is the layout options, and in the layout options you can customize and can detail your bar chart in different perspective. The another is the format options. In the format tab there are a lot of sub options. You can change the format of your bar chart. So depending on the requirements you can customize and modify your bar chart. So now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.